Giikaro-ini giki kamiti ya BBI yunganitie mawoni kuma kuri komiconi ya kigina, maseneta atumia, ikundi cia kuruirira ihoto cia umundu o hamwe na ciama cia kiuteti. Akiruta mendekithia ma maundu maria komiconi ya ugai wa kigina ingienda macenjio gatiba-ini, muikariri giti Dr. Anne Kiringai augite umwe wamo ni ruhonge rwa kigina kwirugamia kuma kuri thirikari.
In the Constitution, Article 225, that envisaged the establishment of a national treasury, which is separate from the Ministry of Finance. And in our view, we need to relook at that, because currently, the national treasury is established as a national government institution, but it should be a neutral institution.
Komiconi ino yugite watho ni ufatie guthathaura wega uria kigina kifatie kugayanio gatagati ga thirikari nene na iria cia matura niguo kunina ngucanio ta iria ikoretwo ho gatagati ka bunge cieri cia bururi.
Division of revenue bill should emanate from parliament as opposed to national treasury, which is the house of origin. Is it the Senate or is it the National Assembly? Because parliament is the two houses.
Na watumia maseneta makihinyiriria gukinyanirio kwa watho wa gicunji kia 2/3 wa uiganania wa mieke ya athuri na atumia.
Attempts in the form of legislation has been presented before parliament, all of which have flopped.
Ciama cia kiuteti nacio irenda mutaratara wa mwathanire uria uriho ucenjio na kuyukia mutaratara wa wathani uria ukuhe bunge mahinya makiria.
One of the most successful democracies on earth is where CRA was, which is in Switzerland. Again, if you ask today who is the president of Switzerland, you don't know, because decisions have been made at that level. They are made by a group.
Kamiti ino ya BBI ikoretwo igithiururuka icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini na ifatie kuhariria riboti na kumineana kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga gugikinya mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Members, I know you are hungry, but the chair